Hello everyone, this is a demo of how to use progress tracking feature in HeatWave ML. We need to open to MySQL client terminals. In the first terminal, we run ML train, and in the second terminal, we monitor the progress of training. Progress metadata is saved in performance schema.rapid query stats. The first query is used to extract progress metadata from performance schema, and the other queries are used to extract high-level information from progress metadata. All right, let's run training and look at the progress metadata. These nulls show that the training has not been started yet. Let's get progress metadata another time. As we see, there has been some progress. The status is in progress. These are the completed steps. The completion percentage is 36%, and the current stage is column selection, which has been 10% completed. Let's get progress metadata another time. As we see, training has been already completed. These are the completed steps. The completion percentage is 100%, and the total runtime has been around 20 seconds. Now, let's look at the progress metadata for another query, such as ML explain table. To do that, we first need to load the model and then run ML explain table. We use the second terminal to get the progress metadata. All right, let's run ML explain table and look at progress metadata. These nulls show that the ML explain table has not been started yet. Let's get the progress metadata another time. As you can see, the ML explain table is in progress. The completion percentage is 20%. Let's get the progress metadata another time. The ML explain table has been already completed. Its completion percentage is 100%, and the total runtime is around 11 seconds. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.